I'm Mikieh.
And I'm Anna, and today we're making a 6-layer chocolate cake with toasted marshmallow filling and chocolate malt frosting.
Before we start, you will want to preheat both the top and bottom ovens to 350 degrees. Next, grease the pans. Then cover the bottoms with parchment paper. You will need to grease the parchment paper. Then flour the bottoms of the pans.
There are 3 parts to this recipe. First, we will make the cake. The ingredients are 2.5 cups plus 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, 3 cups of granulated sugar, a cup plus a tablespoon of Dutch processed cocoa powder, a tablespoon of baking soda, a teaspoon and a half of baking powder, a teaspoon and a half of salt, 3 eggs at room temperature, a cup and a half of buttermilk at room temperature, a cup and a half of strong black coffee hot, 3/4 of a cup of vegetable oil, and 4.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract.
In a bowl of an electric mixer, mix together the cocoa powder, the flour, the sugar, the baking soda and the baking powder, and the salt.
In a medium bowl, whisk together the eggs, buttermilk, coffee, oil, and vanilla.
Next, add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and mix on medium speed.
Then, divide the batter evenly between the 3 prepared pans. Bake for 20 minutes and rotate pans in oven. Then bake for about 12 more minutes. Take the cakes out of the oven and let them cool for 20 minutes.
Next, flip the cakes onto cooling racks so they can cool completely.
Next, we're going to make the toasted marshmallow filling. The ingredients are
16 large marshmallows, 1 cup of powdered sugar, 1 cup of unsalted butter at room temperature, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a jar of fluff. Put the marshmallows on a baking sheet and broil them on the lowest rack of the oven until golden brown. When the first side is golden brown, remove the pan from the oven and turn the marshmallows over. Then broil until the other side is golden brown.
After that, beat the butter and powdered sugar on low speed until well blended together. Then add the vanilla extract and the marshmallow fluff and beat on medium-high for 3 minutes. Then add the toasted marshmallows and mix on the lowest speed for about a minute. The final step is to make the chocolate malt frosting. The ingredients are 2 cups of unsalted butter at room temperature, 4 cups of powdered sugar, 3/4 of a cup of Ovaltine Classic, a tablespoon of vanilla extract, a pinch of salt, 8 ounces of dark chocolate melted and cooled, and half a cup of heavy cream.
First, beat the butter and powdered sugar on low until blended together. Next, add the Ovaltine, vanilla, and salt, and continue to beat on low until well blended. Next, add the melted chocolate and beat on medium until smooth, so for about 2 minutes. Add the heavy cream.
the last step to this cake is to assemble it.
Slice each cake horizontally. Place your first layer on a cake plate and cover with marshmallow frosting. Place another cake layer and cover with chocolate frosting. Repeat alternating the marshmallow and chocolate frostings until you come to the final cake layer. Frost the entire outside of the cake with the remaining malted chocolate frosting. You can also add a design if you would like.
And enjoy!